As you can see, it is empty. You guys know I like Shea Moisture products, so it is without a fail that you would see it in my body care for baby. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful today, and welcome back always to my channel. I want to always thank you guys for supporting me, and today we're going to talk about my favorite baby care products for the body. So these are empties of baby care products that I've used from newborn to toddler that I have emptied. I will give you my opinion on each one, whether I like it and whether I would recommend it or repurchase them. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Per usual, please stay tuned for the details because I will introduce myself in French very briefly, and I'll see you guys very shortly. So do not go anywhere. Stay put, guys. Stay put. Voilà, salut à tous. J'espère que vous allez très bien. On continue la série des produits terminés, les produits que j'ai utilisés à fond, mais cette fois-ci c'est des produits soins du corps pour bébé, donc de nouveau-né vers 3 ans en montant. Donc voilà, si ça vous intéresse, je vous invite à rester sur place. Tous les détails seront présentés en anglais, et voilà, comme toujours, tous les liens des produits que je vous recommande sont toujours sur mon blog, et le lien pour mon blog est sous la barre d'infos. Donc je mets toujours toutes les informations qui sont importantes sous la barre d'infos et sur mon blog aussi. Donc voilà, je vais juste vous parler des produits que j'ai utilisé à fond. J'ai terminé, je vous dis si je rachète ou non et mon expérience par rapport à ça. Donc c'est des produits pour les bébés quoi. Donc voilà, c'est tout. Si vous avez des suggestions pour moi, comme toujours, je vous réponds sous les commentaires, et n'oubliez pas toujours de prier le bon Dieu. Merci de voir mes vidéos, et surtout n'oubliez pas de prier le bon Dieu, et on se voit à la prochaine vidéo. Merci les amis. Ciao guys, bye. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you for staying tuned. As you guys see, we're doing a continuation of the empties series. So again, but this time is for the body care for babies, newborns to toddler, and I say about newborn to about 5-6 years old. So these are things that I recommend, that I've tried, and I will just get right into it without further ado. So yeah, let's go. The first thing I have here is by Mustela, and it is the body lotion, and I really like the Mustela line, guys. It is expensive, but again, you can find coupons and promotions at CVS and Target for the most part, so do check that out when you buy. It's an expensive brand, but I really do like it. It reminds me of the Bébé Chloran lotion that my mom used on me when I was growing up, and since I can't find that Bébé Chloran lotion everywhere, I kind of substitute it with this line, and I think I've showed that product on my channel here before, and this is like a great option. It smells about the same. I really like this line, so I like the lotion. It's more like of a milky consistency. It's more liquidy, milky, not so much like, it's not thick, if you will. So if you like that kind of thing, you will enjoy this. Again, so it's pricey, but it's good. I like it. I would recommend it. So yes, it is empty, guys, just so you guys can see it. Sticking with the Mustela line, that is the diaper cream, guys. I mean, diaper creams, I think they all do the same thing, to be honest. So I don't really have a preference, but I just got this because I like the Mustela line. I mean, it's not really particular. As long as the baby doesn't have like a rash already, I think you can use anything. It works fine, and this one is a good one. And yeah, so I got this, I think, at CVS or Bye Bye Baby, one of those. They do sell them there, so definitely check that out. That's the Mustela line, and it's empty as well. There you go. Like I said, my mom used Bébé Chloran on me when I was little. If I find a picture, I'll post it for you guys. And it's called Mobi Bébé instead, and this I get in Cameroon when I always go there. It smells so good. It also reminds me of the Mustela one. Love the smell. So like this one and the Bébé Chloran and the Mustela, they all smell the same. They're kind of like, and I really like them. So yeah, I also emptied this one as well. I really like it. Next I have, I think it's pronounced Dextro cream. It's like a Vaseline, milky version of a Vaseline, I think. and it's really good for like dry skin. I really think it's nice. I think it's a product from France, if I'm not mistaken, and it is really nice for that. It's just really for dry skin. That's what I use it for. I would recommend mixing this with your regular lotion. That's very thick. Change the consistency and the formula a little bit and it will be nice. So yeah, so this is, I think, Dextro cream right there. It's kind of hard to find though, so I don't know where you would find this. I usually get it when I travel to Cameroon, but I would find a link if I can and put it down below. But yeah, it's not as easy to find, but I do recommend it and would repurchase it. Next is the Shea Moisture Olive Oil and Marula Baby Wash and Shampoo with avocado and shea butter for extra dry skin. So that is that right there. As you can see, it is empty. You guys know I like Shea Moisture products, so it is without a fail that you would see it in my body care for baby, because they're a good line. It does work for very dry skin. I think this is very economical. I get them at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, you know, where I can use coupons, Bed Bath & Beyond, things like that, and it lasts a really long time. And I like that it foams very well. I love when body washes foam. It's my favorite thing. You can use it, a little bit goes a long way. This will last you months. I really do like the Shea Moisture line, guys. Again, Shea Moisture, I found this on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond. This one is the Mango and Carrots Kids 2-in-1 Extra Nourishing Body Wash and Bubble Bath. This one was okay. Again, it lasts a long time. It does foam. I mean, I like their line, so if you want to try it out, definitely do. Again, this was for dry skin, so that's why I got it, because I was looking for dry skin products or like eczema prone skin products, so this was like one of the ones that I saw that would be helpful. So it's not a must have, but if you do buy it, you won't be disappointed. It does help with moisturization. So yeah, another diaper cream that I really liked was the Aquaphor. I like the Aquaphor brand even for the body. I think I told you guys that before, because I feel like that big tub is very versatile. It's like a 3-in-1. You can use it for the face, the body, and diapers, and as a diaper cream, and it's very useful. But yeah, they have the diaper cream version. Again, they all do the same thing. You can choose whatever brand you like, but this is one that I did try and I do like and I would recommend. Sticking with Aquaphor, I think this is my second or third tub. I do get this at CVS when they have promotions, and you guys see I like tubs because I can actually see me emptying out my product, and I like that. My thing with tubes or bottles is like you have to like cut them open and scrape, and it's not really convenient. I like tubs. I love tubs, so when I have an option to do so, I do go that way. So this is a great 3-in-1 product. Like I said, definitely a must-have. Really good for baby or any adult as well. Again, sticking with Aquaphor, I mean, this is just amazing. I like it. What can I say? That's why I have another one. So you have two, like I said right there. I really think it's a really nice line. It's just really good, and I do recommend them, guys. Another diaper cream that I really liked was this CeraVe Healing Ointment. I like this line as well. It's really good, especially for babies with sensitive skin. As you can see, I have two here. I've used them up and I really like it, and I would repurchase, as you can see. And I found this at Bye Bye Baby, and I always use my coupon. So guys, if you can get your hand on these, you would love them. Again, they all do the same thing. It's just like a brand preference thing. Whatever you like, you get it. But hey, I tried them all, so I'm showing them all. Okay, so there you go. I think everyone should have the A&D ointment cream. You should have both the A&D preventative ointment and the one that actually treats once the baby has a diaper rash, because it could happen. So I always had both, and I think this one is the preventative one, and I really like it. It does work. If your baby does get a diaper rash or your toddler, get the one to treat it. As long as it has like zinc oxide, it has to have like at least, I think, 5% or something like that, if I'm not mistaken, and it will treat it right away. It's really effective. So yeah, A&D is a really good option to have as well, in addition to the ones that I've showed you. I would buy this prevent one, and then the one that is actually the treatment once you have the diaper rash. So this is a really good one. here the Cetaphil baby lotion. This one, I didn't really like it that much. I didn't like the smell of it. And also I didn't like the consistency of it. I think it was too wet and it kept like running out, and I was wasting a lot of the product. I'm not saying that it's not effective, but I just feel like I didn't enjoy it because of the smell and the fact that it was so watery. It would just spill. It would just like leak everywhere. So I felt like I just wanted to get rid of it so I can just use it. But I wouldn't repurchase this because I just don't like the smell and the fact that it spills everywhere. But I think Cetaphil is a good brand, guys. So try it out for yourself and give a verdict. I just can't give a verdict on it other than the fact that I don't like the smell and the application process of it. It's too milky and watery for my liking. So yeah, but I did finish it though, so you can use it. So it's not like it's bad, okay? It's also for itching. I really think Aveeno is a great option. I use a lot of Aveeno products, and one of them was the 1% hydrocortisone anti-itch cream. So for areas that are itchy and you want to spot treat them, use this. You will really like it. I definitely do recommend this. It's a great option. I didn't finish it, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like, and that is it right there. And another great wash is by Aveeno. A lot of their products are really good, you guys know. Another good one that really helps with calming itchy skin or eczema prone skin, or anything that has like oatmeal in it is really good. And this is one of them. It's really nice because it soothes it, calms it, and reduces the amount of like discomfort that anyone experiences. So I've gotten through like 3 of these already. I don't know where they are, the bottles, and this one is pretty much almost done. There's only a little bit left, so I'm just gonna put it here. It's the Cleansing Therapy Moisturizing Wash, and the only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't soap up. It's not foamy at all. It's a milky wash that I don't prefer as a consistency, but it does work, so I do use it. So the thing with this is you do need some type of cleansing cloth or an exfoliating glove just to gently cleanse the skin so you can remove the product, so because it does leave a lot of residue, so the wash doesn't come off. It's almost like a moisturizing lotion, but they call it wash, so you have to kind of gently remove it off the skin. If not, it will stay and remain there. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. I wish it was more of a foamy consistency, but it's really good. Okay, almost done, guys. So and then we have this lotion by Eucerin. You guys know Eucerin is a really good brand as well. And this one is the Baby Eczema Relief Body Cream. Again, anything with oatmeal is really good for eczema prone skin, very dry, itchy skin. It does help, trust me. I know how effective it is because I've used it so many times, and it really does help calming. This is also a great option. It wouldn't be my first option because it's so thick and it's hard to get the product out of the tube, but it does work if you did want to try this. And this is a bit pricey too, so that's why I wouldn't also gravitate towards this first. Last but not least, this is the Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Soothing Bath Treatments. I'm not showing the front really because it kind of ripped off. I'm just showing you the side so you can really see. These are sachets, but it comes with 5 packets. I think this one is my 3rd box. I think this is one of the most effective ones that I liked because you can actually soak your baby or your toddler in and pretend you're doing like a bubble bath. I think 1 sachet lasts me about 2 to 3 baths, so I really like it, guys. This is one of the best methods to help calm and soothe eczema prone skin or extra dry skin, itchy skin. This is one of the best. Again, with that oatmeal ingredient, that's the main ingredient for you for those type of concerns. So I really do like this, and like I said, this is my 3rd box, and it's really affordable. You can find it anywhere, and I just can't recommend it enough. So guys, There you go. Don't say I didn't put you on. Yes, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. Again, all the links for anything that I recommend is down in the down bar, and the link of my blog is there. You can find them there and purchase them there. And thank you so much again for staying tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to always praise God. If you have any comments or recommendations, please feel free to reach out to me or comment down below, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can.